Today, I'm going to show you how you can add an audio slider just like the one you're seeing right now, with a playlist, images, and smooth controls to your WordPress site. It gives you a custom admin page where you can add tracks with images, titles, subtitles, and audio files. There's also a colors page, so you can customize the player's look exactly how you want it. It's really easy to set up. Let's get started. First things first, download the plugin from the link in the video description below. Then, go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, upload the zip file, and activate the plugin. To set it up, just head to the straightforward admin page where you upload your tracks, add images, titles, and audio URLs. You can also add subtitles that appear below each track title. After adding your tracks, save your changes and insert the shortcode, WayPlayer, wherever you want the player to appear on your site. I'm using Elementor, so let's see how to add it there. You can also use other page builders like Visual Composer, or add it directly in your theme files. In Elementor Page Builder, add a shortcode widget wherever you want to display the player. Adjust the outer container's size, add a background image and overlay if you like, then save your changes. I've disabled the slider preview in the backend to improve performance and keep the admin area cleaner. The player still works fine on the front end. And there you go. Your audio playlist is all set up and ready to wow your users. Clicking a track plays it and updates the left side image to match. Dragging the slider left or right also changes the track and image in sync. You can now add multiple tracks to the player without any hassle. Next, let's experiment with the layout a bit. Try increasing the width of the shortcode widget in Elementor to make the player more prominent on your page. Also, test out different color schemes for the player to better match your site's design and create a more visually appealing experience. The plugin currently includes basic color options focused on layout changes. Right now, you can customize the player's main color, as well as the active track color. I'll be adding more color and customization options in future updates to give you greater control over the player's appearance. That's all for today's video. I hope it makes adding an audio playlist to your website easier. If you have any questions or need help, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.